In this video, I will teach you how to export all your Google Keep notes. I will present you two methods to do this. So in order to do this, first you need to do is to head over to keep.google.com. Now from there, you should be able to be redirected to this site. So you will only be redirected if you currently log in into the Google account themselves. If you already have a Google account, you should be able to see this. So the first method is to use the Google Takeout. Head over to a new tab and go to takeout.google.com. So let's type that here. And then once you have done this, you should be able to see in here the Google Takeout altogether. So onto your Google Takeout, access the data that you need. So from in there, scroll down and then check the box next to keep. So as you can see, they're all selected right now. Let's deselect them. And then scroll down and look for the Google Keep option. You can also click on the Control F on your keyboard and search in here for Keep, and you can find it right here. Click on this, and then after you have done that, next thing you need to do is to actually scroll down to the very bottom, click onto this next step, and choose in here the file that you want. It can be sent on a download link via email. You can export it once, choosing here the file type as well as the file size that you want. So for this case, let's just use 1 gigabytes and click onto this create export. Export is now in progress, and once it's done, you should be able to get an email from there. Now, another method that we can do is we can head over to the Google Keep themselves and then select the node that we want to actually export. For example, let's select this tree. Now in here, let's click onto this three dots icon and click onto this copy to Google Docs. What this will do is this will actually open all the selected notes into a Google Docs document. So once it's been copied, you can just download it as a PDF altogether. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.